Low vibration means no manifestation, high vibration means faster manifestation. And today I'm going to give you some tools or techniques that once you start implementing, you can raise your vibration even within 60 seconds or less. Yes, you can individually use these techniques, and once you start doing it, instantly, it's just like magic, instantly you can raise your vibration. And once you keep your vibration higher, your manifestation power will go really high. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. You know that how important it is for you to keep your vibration higher. And definitely when you do your affirmation, visualization, gratitude and do different tools and techniques, your vibration stays higher. But there are times that during the day when you are involved in other activities or you are going through the day, there are times when you lose your vibration or something wrong happened or you are going through some stressful time and your vibration goes down and you realize it that your vibration is low, but at that point you don't have time or energy to do the bigger tools or techniques or processes, or you are in a public place or you are in your office or somewhere where you cannot do some big tools, techniques or close your eyes and visualize. So in those moments, sometimes you wonder, how can you keep your vibration high? How can you change your vibration? How can you keep your vibration higher? And that is why today I'm giving you some process. I'm going to give you 5 to 6 tools or techniques or processes you can say, and you can use all of them at different time, or whichever one you remember you can do it, or if you find something more comfortable for you, you can keep doing it, and it just takes few seconds for you to raise your vibration. And the first one is smile. Yes, when you smile, your vibration goes higher. Now why smiling? Now you must be thinking like, AJ, when I'm going through very stressful time, my energy is low or I'm feeling low, how can I smile? Or how can the smile come to my face and how can it even raise my vibration? Isn't it fake? Let me tell you how it works. The mind controls the body, and at the same time the body also controls the mind. So it's like a two-way process. Both of them are controlling each other. Of course, the mind usually have more power to control the body, but there are times when the mind is not in control. If you change the body, then it gives that signal to mind and mind started changing. So it has been scientifically proven in many of the labs that when we smile, we release a chemical called endorphin. And this is called happy chemicals. When we release endorphin, then that's when we smile. So it has been scientifically proven in labs, and research has been done that when you are happy and endorphin is flowing, that's when you are smiling. But when you actually start smiling physically, it also triggers the mind to release endorphin and it changes your energy. That's why you have seen that people who are working in the hospitality industry, who are constantly serving customer and they give their best in customer service, they always smiling. It's not always coming from their mind, but they become so habituated that it always keep them calm and focused in their work. It gives them the energy to handle difficult situations. And people who are working in hospitality industry, handling difficult situations, especially those of you who are air hostess, those of you who are working in even hotel industry or in kind of situations where you handle so many customers and you are constantly giving your best, you know that how important for you is to smile, and when you smile, it gives you so much of energy to handle any kind of situation. Same is applied for all of us. Smiling is the first thing that reset your energy and raise your vibration. You try it and it will actually raise your vibration. Now the second one is Rampage of Appreciation. Yes, whenever you realize that your vibration is going down and even you cannot smile because your vibration is so low, go in a rampage of vibration. Rampage of vibration means start appreciating whatever you see in front of you as much as possible. Everything that you see, stop worrying, stop focusing on anything, start appreciating whatever you feel like. Start appreciating your phone, start appreciating the people in front of you, start appreciating the home, your office, wherever you are. You go and try to appreciate everything that you see in front of you. Start appreciating yourself, start appreciating anything and everything that you see. if there are people, appreciate them. You don't have to tell them, you have to appreciate inside your mind, and you start saying like this, oh, I like this thing, I like this thing, I love these things. Or like you start saying that I like my phone, I like my laptop, I like my office, I like my job, I like the people around me, I like my friends, I like my body, I like for being alive. Or you say that I love my friends, I love being here, I love being alive, I love being on earth, I love having this job. So when you go on this rampage for few seconds, like for 30 seconds or 40 seconds, you immediately your vibration changes and you stay in a positive vibration. It's the reset button. Now third one, breathing. Yes, when you breathe deeply and slowly for few seconds, it resets your vibration. Again, our breathing is always proportional to the emotion that is going inside. Whenever we go into a negative emotions, we breathe very fast. Whenever we are in a very positive emotions, we breathe slowly and deeply. For example, when you become angry or anxious or negative or very sad or scared, you breathe very fast. When you are really happy and joyful and relaxed, you will breathe slowly. So one of the best way to raise your vibration or reset your vibration is, even if you are stressful, breathe deeply and slowly. And right now I want all of you to do this thing with me for a few seconds and you will see the shift happening. Inhale deeply and slowly and we'll exhale deeply and slowly. Great. How was the feeling? I'm sure you felt relaxed and you felt like really calm and peaceful. Your vibration raised. You had this positive vibration. You change your breathing, your vibration changes. If you felt really calm and peaceful while doing this breathing, let me know in the comment section right now. So that you can do anywhere and everywhere. Now the fourth one, which is positive affirmation. Yes, you know some positive affirmation that if you can repeat again and again and again and again, the voice within inside which is negative or which is making you stressful will settle down and your positive energy will go higher. Like I said, the most powerful affirmation, I am loved and supported by the universe. I've given you that affirmation, and if you are yet to watch that video, you can check the video here. So you can remember this affirmation and keep repeating yourself again and again and again and again inside your head. Or if you can do it, you can say it loud, that would be great. So you can keep saying, I am loved and supported by the universe. I am loved and supported by the universe. I am loved and supported by the universe. Or you can say some other positive affirmation like I am a winner. I am a winner. I am confident. I am happy. I am positive. I am the awesome creation of God. I am the awesome creation of God. I am the awesome creation of God. The universe is working out for me. Everything is working out for me. The universe is taking care of me. I am moving forward. Everything is getting resolved. I am a positive being. I am a positive being. I am the most successful person. I am becoming very, very, very successful. Everything is working out for me. My life is super awesome. Everything is going to be fine. Relaxed. All is well. Everything is perfectly fine. Everything is perfectly fine. I am happy. I am joyful. I am magical. Keep repeating some affirmation and it will raise your vibration instantly. It doesn't take even 1 minute for you to raise your vibration. Now, another thing you can do is listen to some positive music or speeches or videos, like the way you are watching my videos. And so many of you keep telling me in the comment section that whenever you watch my videos, your vibration goes higher, you feel positive, motivated. Same way you may be watching some other motivational videos or listening to some inspiring songs or music which raise your vibration, not the sad one. So you can listen to some positive speeches, videos, you can watch some of my videos or some motivational videos which raise your vibration. That is another thing you can do. And now the last one is move your body. Yes. If you try to change your focus but you are not able to do any of these things, the next best thing you can do is move your body. Yes, because when we change our physiology, our mind changes. So if you are not able to control it, if you are not able to shift your focus, go take a walk, go for a run, go for a jogging, or just if you are at work or somewhere, just go around, go to the coffee machine, or just walk around. And just when you change your physiology, when you do something physical, your energy changes, and that's what helps you change your mood. Or if you are at home, or if you are free, you can go for a run, you can stretch, or you can do some yoga poses, or you can shake your body, dance a little bit, and that will definitely change your vibration. So these are some of the things that you can do anywhere and everywhere, and it doesn't take even more than 60 seconds. Within 1 minute, if you do any of these things, your vibration will change, and you don't have to do all of them. Choose whichever one you remember, whichever time is suitable, depending upon the situation, or which one is your favorite. Do something, but always remember to keep raising your vibration, not to stay stuck with negative vibration, not to be stressful, not to stay anxious. Because when your vibrations stay higher and higher and higher, your manifestations start happening faster and faster and faster. Higher vibration, more positive vibration means faster manifestation. So if this video has inspired you, like it, comment, and let me know what are your favorite ways of raising your vibration. And if you are following some of these vibrational tips, then let me know which you are following, or if you are not following, let me know which are going to be your favorite one, which are the one you are definitely going to try and start using them. And come back to this video and do let me know maybe tomorrow which are the tips or which are the tools that you have used and which really shift your vibration. So you have the power to manifest your goals, desires, and dreams. If you want to learn more tools, techniques, and processes, you can join my powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. Thank you.